Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing this fall glitz and glam cut crease featuring the beatsbydeb beat down palette. This palette is, I already know, it's fire, and I'm of course incorporating a fall lip. So if y'all want to get into this video and get into this look, girl, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification button so you don't miss my future videos. And with all that being said, y'all, let's get into it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be taking the P. Louise base. I think that's number 2, and I mixed it in with my Lip Bar 3 o'clock concealer. If you guys want to see my Lip Bar review on this concealer, just click the eye right above. And I'm going to go in and with the beat down palette and take that shade, that orange shade, which is Juicy, and I'm going to be using that to map out the shape that I want of this eyeshadow look pretty much. And I'm just taking that on a fluffy brush. I love this palette, y'all. It is perfect for your everyday colors. It's perfect for your colorful looks. I'm taking my translucent powder and setting the perimeters of the orange shade Juicy right there, and I'm taking the deeper tangerine shade under that, and I'm just taking that to buff out and blend out the edges of the Juicy shade that I placed down. Now I'm just going to cut my crease. I am taking the P. Louise base in Rumor 2 just to, you know, cut my crease. I get a lot of questions on my cut crease brush, y'all. This is a paint brush. I got this from Michael's. It's really cheap. I think it was like $2, so I definitely think y'all should pick it up. I am taking Gogeta, and I'm using that as the base for my glitters, just so my glitters, like, you know, can adhere to something. But I love the shade Gogeta, y'all. I love most of these shades up in here because I'm a big Dragon Ball Z fan. And I'm taking the beatsbydeb Cosmetics glitter in the shade Pumpkin, and I'm just packing that all over my lid. And then I'm taking the shade Snickers and King, which is like the 2 browns in there, just to deepen up my outer corner because I wanted some depth to this look. And yeah, so as y'all can see, I'm just packing it on the outer corner and blending that out. And yeah, taking my NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer and my NARS Sheer Glow, mixing those together. I like this. I got this idea from Jackie Aina, mixing them, because I don't know, it just really does something and has your skin looking really, really perfect. So yeah, by the way, this is my winter shade, but I can still make it work, y'all, as y'all can see. And then I'm just taking my Juvia's Place brush and blending that out, and I just love a brush to blend it out. I'm taking my Lip Bar Quick Caffeine Concealers, and I'm just using those just to highlight up under my eye and conceal up under my eye. I love these concealers, y'all. I don't know why. I just really have been loving them, like ever since I've been using them. Like, I love them. These concealers are everything. Definitely pick them up if y'all have not tried them. And I'm just blending those out, of course, with my Dark Skin Makeup Daily Sponge. But these concealers are really amazing, y'all. You can definitely still use my code JHeart for 10% off your purchase, and when you purchase these concealers, because they're so good. Y'all pretty much get the gist of this whole video, pretty much. Taking my chalk dust in the letter C. This powder is good as well if you are looking for a really good inexpensive powder by the Crayon Case. So good. And y'all know I love to set my whole face like I am a ghost girl. This is a Halloween look from the way that I set my face. I just love a matte look in the fall. I don't know what it is, but I love it when my skin is so super matte in the fall. It's just everything. Now, this is a step that a lot of people be like, you know, they skip and, you know, they think, you know, why they have flashback. You have to dust that powder off, y'all. And I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth. I'm going to go in with my Lip Bar Fast Face palette. And I'm just using that to contour and, you know, pretty much restructure my face, because my face is looking kind of flat, y'all. And I love this palette as well too. This palette is really good. I've been dipping back into it, like, because I was obsessed with it, but now I'm like really getting back into it, and the shades are just perfect. But yes, so I'm just taking that and just, you know, just contour my face, y'all. I love a fan brush to contour my face. It just gives you that smooth blend. I don't know what it is, but with me, it just gives me that smooth blend that I look for, and like, you know, like that sharpness as well. Like, you just, like, I don't know, like that soft, sharp blend. Like, it's really cute. Gonna use, of course, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, my all-time favorite bronzer. I need to actually start using other bronzers because I know y'all are getting tired of me using the same products, but like they work for me and I love them. Of course I'm going to use other products as well. I'm using the Dragon Fire Face Transformation, the brightening one. I love that. I've been loving that lately to brighten under my eyes and the middle of my forehead when I use, like, you know, not too much of a brightening concealer. And it like pretty, like, you know, it brightens your face. It's really cute. Spray on my face with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Watermelon, the scent. I love that scent so much. And of course I'm taking those same shades and I'm blending those underneath and adding some mascara. This is my favorite mascara by Maybelline. My favorite all-time mascara. It's really good. It's really cute. I think it's like $7, but like it separates your lashes so well, and then it coats them so good as well too. Like, it's really good. Popped on my lashes, and I'm going to go in and just do my fall lip. I'm lining my lips with a lip pencil, and I'm going to go in with the Lip Bars Liquid Lipstick in Savage. And pretty much this is the end of this video, and I'm just adding some cute little accents to it. This look just turned out so cute, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. It turned out so bomb. Oh my god, like really cute. Like my skin was looking a little bit too dry and suffocated, y'all, so I had to spray it with some dewy setting spray. But thank y'all so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.